Hello everyone and everybody, welcome back my channel Car Technology. So today I have the one video that I want to show everyone about the troubleshooting. This my video talk about the Toyota Land Cruiser have the problem the brake. When the brake is not smoothly and have the assy or in carbonation meter warning light or ABS warning light. Now we use the GDS for scan code. Now the code is C1251 pump motor circuit malfunction and C1252 brake booster pump motor on time abnormally long, and code C1256 accumulator low pressure, and code C1268 transfer alpha position select circuit, and C1452 accumulator low pressure. Yes, it means that this car is have the problem actuator is abnormal. Okay, sometimes working but sometimes not working. The show how to solve this problem. You can shoot you can must be to replace the actuator C. Okay, need or no need must be to replace the actuator, brake actuator assy. Okay, for safety. When this code illumination, car cannot brake. It means that where assy and ABS warning light in combination meter. Okay, thank you for watch this video. Yes, we must be to replace the actuator assy. Okay, must be replaced the new spare part actuator assy. Okay, thank you for watching this video.